Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm going to try to get through this quick, but I want to invite, let me see how many I have, 2, 4, 6 people to join in on a collab. April 23rd, I can send you a pattern, and we're going to make this dress for a Barbie doll. It is actually, it's not a dress. It's a top, a skirt, what do you call the do-rag, and a belt in a hippie type fashion, 70s. We're going to do this collab on April 23rd at 10 a.m. Central. Also, if you have this pattern and you want to join in, let me know. Let me know in the comments, and if I get more than 6 people, we'll decide what we're going to do from there. I bought those patterns at Joann's. This is one I want to do last. Very excited. Another reason I want to get quickly through it. Okay.
And the wrapping paper goes flying.
These are so cute, and I have a body coming, hopefully in this. I can't even find the wrapper here. I'm going to cut it in a minute. Here we go. Here we go. These are cute little dresses. I told you about the Black Friday sales. They are still going on. I get these, depending on the day, for $1.99 or $1.79. Look at the little clip. These little miniature clips, if you can find them, you're probably going to pay $1.79 for those. All right, let me see what's in here. Oh, I just thought this was cute. Let's see where it fits. Oh, it's kind of big. It might not. Oh, there you go. Just a little stone ring. I thought was cute. And a little Easter gift for someone. Oh, and there's another outfit in here. Oh, this one, you know what? I think I did get these too for $1.79 because my eyes were bulging when I saw this one. I mean, it's got, it is so cute. Look at this. It's got the little dress, the little bloomers. Look at these bloomers. They're like a satin. I don't know if you can see the print on that or not. It has the bib. It's kind of like a little boy blue or little girl blue outfit with this darling hat. These little hats fit a midi Blythe. The outfits are a little too big for a neo Blythe. Let's see what else I got. Like I said, I'm trying to do it quick. Oh, I must have bought those again. I bought these before. Looks like I bought them again. I'm going to be making gray. I'm going to put gray in my machine and make a bunch of these. I make tights out of these for Blythe dolls, or other dolls too, depending on the size of the doll. Let me get this open. One is the same little outfit. I mean, really, the bloomers are worth the cost. Oh, look at that, double bagged. What are they thinking? You know, I better recheck that bag because surely they didn't just put this in here. I better recheck that one. Okay, let me get this torn open. I bought a smart doll. Haven't had time to show my unboxing video. But I might have some stuff coming. Oh, I know what this is. I'm like, this can't be smart doll, but it's pretty big. This looks like it fit a 14. I don't know. Sometimes the sizes are weird. Frog! I just thought it was really cute. Now see, this looks 14-inch. That looks Blythe size. Doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Odd. Okay, cute anyway. Then there's this little brown dress, which I've showed before, but I'll crack it open real quick and show you how cute this is. They're a little too big for a Blythe doll. You can make it work. They've got this little teddy bear on there. Isn't that cute? And a little B for bear. Seriously, $1.79, $1.99. The button, just cute. Just cute. Couldn't resist to buy more. Couldn't resist. And then I've shown this one before on my channel too that I bought. I put one of these on a pull-up doll. Oh my God, it's cute. Really cute. It is a little dress, fancy little dress. You pull it around. There we go. It's got a cute little front. And this little, like, I don't know, rabbit ears. Now they left a lot of, oh no, that's lace. That's lace. And a little jacket over it. Isn't that the cutest? $1.99. Really? Are you kidding me? And then this, I thought, I don't know, I thought for Daisy when she goes bike riding, it is hair ties. I thought it was hair ties. You know, I better crack that open because that looks like plastic. Surely it's hair ties. Oh yeah, there you go. Little hair ties. Okay, come on, that's cute. For you Jeep drivers out there, that's adorable. All right, and let's move on. Got a lot to cover. Believe me, I want to just stop and play with all of this. Oh, I know what that is. I love these sweaters. I'm wondering if this wouldn't fit my Smart Doll. I think it would. Oh, snap. I love the gingerbread with the oh, snap. He's missing part of his head, like someone took a bite. Love it. So I'm thinking Smart Doll for that. Or, you know, 14-inch doll. Or there's a lot of dolls that can wear those. Oh, and another. These are, I bought this one before. I've shown it before, but just real quick. You pull this open. I cannot make these outfits for $1.99. How cute is that? And I think this is going to fit a body I have to show you. Look at this. I got this for Darren for BlytheCon. Oh, that's really big. That's really, really fat. How cute is that though? For, what is the aliens? Oh, I'm trying to remember the exact wording of the BlytheCon. Space aliens. And I thought that would be cute. Okay. And we have our tickets. And I am working to get, I'll be very careful here because I got some clothing. Very careful to get the skirts made for the goodie bags. And there'll be more in it than just a skirt. And this is, oh, this is a different little mustard colored dress. This one looks smaller than that. And I thought it might fit a Blythe. I am hoping it might fit a Blythe just for the fun of it. How cute is that? Look at that. It's, I mean, really, look at that skirt and the lace. Oh my goodness, the price of lace anymore is, that is so cute. And you think, oh, I bet that fit a midi. I don't think so. That's too big. But look, a little bag with the gold. And, you know, I love that gold. So, all right, keep it moving. This looks like the other t-shirt. Nope. Darren and I have been riding our bikes every day. What do I have? 54 miles in how many days? 4 days?
Yep.
5 days. 4 days. Yeah. 55 miles in 4 days. Look at these. Oh, they showed turquoise in the description, and it did say, what do you call it, assorted. Well, that's disappointing. But for, oh, I can't remember what that's called, but I do love it. Blythe doll strings. These, I started to say, are for riding your bike in your winter. They are neoprene, which makes them windproof, which makes them absolutely wonderful. And I gave 2 away for a gift, for gifts, and so I need to place them. Ah, it's here. All right, and this better be what I hope it is. All right, whoop-hoo. Let's open this. This feels like the beads I've been waiting forever to come. In fact, I went ahead and got some others because I needed them for my Lord of the Ring elf challenge, or collab I just did. Oh, I'm glad I bought those others. Look how dull these are. The ones I have are real shiny, but I do like this. That is more turquoise than the other ones I bought. So I got some pony beads. Let's see what this is. Like I said, I ordered. Nope. this. Darren and I ride tandem bikes. We own 2. If you don't know a tandem, it's a bicycle built for 2. And we love frogs. And my little Fritz the frog has started a whole frog thing with me. And so I bought the Frog and the Toad. Dory at Dory's Dollies recently told me this is a thing, Frog and the Toad play, that her son was in. So happy to have that. And now we have a Cannondale mountain bike tandem. And it's between these 2 greens, but this will be cute. All right, let's get to the good stuff here. We'll save this one for last. I have been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting for this doll to come. She is going to be a custom, and I'm starting very soon. Oh, her eyes are, hope they're not messed up. Not gonna be happy. I ordered, I don't know, I've gotten 3 or 4 of these dolls now. This is just the second one to come. Please be between. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm sure she's just between clicks. Let's see. Yeah. The spring sounds a little weird, but I don't have a problem. Oh, her hair is thinner. I kind of like that. Oh, she's cute. Look at that chunky face. She's got the fat face, square face. All right, and then there's this, of which I have been waiting for it to get. Everybody ordered after me already gets theirs. Oh, it drives me crazy. All right, let's open. Now there may be a hiccup with this, but if you knew Darren, you would know. Oh, here, click, click, click. This is a body. It is a new Chubby body on AliExpress. It was not inexpensive for me. I mean, maybe you think it is, but at my house, all right, I don't want to tear this up, but in a minute I'm going to because I'm so excited. All right, it comes with a stand. Well, that's nice. That is very, very nice. And it's wrapped very, very nice. I like that. Oh, it looks like it's got hands. Yep. Darren, you're going to have to figure something out for me. All right. They come
Are
with
you saying another project?
Yeah. A little sponge, sandpaper sponge. And I'm not sure if that, oh, look how she comes on her stand. I'm not sure if that is for, you know what? I'm cutting this. I'm not sure if that's for cleaning up smudges or in case you want to do a, oh gosh. Look at the chubby body. Oh, that is so cute. Look at the hands. All right, let's just see. Let's just see. I thought these might fit this little girl because like I said, I have a new Smart Doll and I have collabs coming up, you wouldn't believe, in March. And I'm not gonna have time to make her much. So, oh yeah, look at that. Nah, yes and no. Yes and no. I don't know. We'll think about that one, but let's have her hold this purse. Oh, how cute is that?
Pretty cute to me.
It is cute. All right, so here is the dilemma that I was telling Darren about. Now, maybe, just maybe, but do not count on it. Have you ever bought an icy Blythe, a real icy Blythe, not just they call it that? They come on bodies much like, well, it's a regular sized, oh, this is a really nice body. Really nice. This was over $40, but I really wanted to try it. I have Chubby Blythe on Mimi Bowback bodies, and I wanted to see how this one would look, and I wanted the articulation. Look, Darren, more shoes.
Hey!
When you buy an icy, they come on a body that has a neck much like this. And so the head is just put in around it without the slide-in joint. And if you do customs or have taken a head apart, there's a piece that goes up into the chin that holds this head. And it's just different. And you need that. When you get an icy, oh, look at that, it even clicks. Well, we might have to figure out something. When you get an icy, there is a play in their head. Darren has come up with and customized a neck joint for the icies, both for the Mimi Bobek body and for the regular body. And it matters because your head has this flop to it before it moves. And it's really aggravating. So anyway, what we're going to try is to put this head on this body as they have in the advertisement. Look at the difference between the bodies. It's a little shorter, but not a whole lot. It looks like it's going to be pretty cute. Darren, I can't wait for you to
Fix it.
get a look at this because I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. Look how cute her little fat butt is. Love it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Stay tuned. We're going to have a custom that's a little different, and then we'll show you the difference between this one and the Mimi Bobek Chubby Blythe. Chubby Blythes are so cute. If you don't have one in your collection, you might want one. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Darren, I need you to do this right away. I want to start today.
I didn't need to do my work. We're good.
You mean your job?
Yeah.
Your real job? Good, because
I was ready to quit anyway.
this is so important.
Way more important.